Before purchasing your first rental property, I always advise my clients of the rental rates in the area. This is so that they are aware of the monthly income they can generate, and also they can calculate realistic expenses. Knowing your numbers is key when investing. It's also important to look at an area's crime rates, rate of growth, job market, and population. We always provide an in-depth report to our investor clients that ensures they have all the necessary data to make an informed decision on what and where to buy. Running an in-depth check on prospective tenants may help to avoid issues of non-payment later on. Asking for a copy of their credit scores is one great example to consider. It's also important to make sure that potential tenants have consistent income and are able to comfortably afford rent. Asking for letters of employment and pay stubs is a great way to help determine affordability. Running a criminal background check may be something you might consider helpful depending on the area you invested in and the applicant. Make sure you get their permission. It's also highly recommended to advise tenants to invest in renters' home insurance, since homeowners insurance cannot be applied to rental properties. If you're interested in purchasing your first investment or your sixth, call us 905-334-5883. We're here to help.